Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. So it's been a long time since we did a voiceover in our channel, so I'm excited to do this. Today I woke up around 9:30 a.m. and first thing I did was do the laundry because yesterday I tried to do it but the washing machine was not switching on because of the weather, I guess. So that is the first thing I did, and then I had breakfast. For breakfast I just kept it simple and had oats. Like every day, I have to go to the gym at around 2, so I thought I'll prepare the lunch. So, for lunch, I'm making fried rice from yesterday's leftover rice. This is my go to whenever there is some leftover rice or like leftover curry. After gym, I had my lunch. I am watching Sirens now. Yeah, it was a good series. I really liked it. And then later on, I was craving for something sweet, so I ordered cheesecakes. This is the next day, and I woke up late at around 11:30. So these days, I'm finding it very difficult to sleep at night. I go to bed at around 12, but still I don't sleep till 3 o'clock. I don't know why. I just lay down there, but I don't get sleep. And I very well know that it's because I go to sleep late. That's why I am not able to wake up early. But I'm not able to break the cycle, and it's just repeating every single day. But anyways, I'll be going home soon, so we'll try to fix our sleep cycle at home, and so when we come back it's all normal again. Today for breakfast I wanted to try this viral milk toast. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and YouTube, and so I wanted to try it, and I ordered all these necessary things from Blinkit. One of you guys commented on my previous video that I should use brown bread instead of milk bread, so I ordered brown bread. I mashed some bananas and tried to stick the breads together, and then added some milk and toasted it. I really didn't like it that much. I would give it like a 6 out of 10. I felt that it was very bland because I didn't add any sugar, and even after adding honey, it was not, sweet. And also, if you're someone who like to dip your bread in milk and have it, then you'll definitely like it. It was way too soggy for me. I don't like my bread soft. I like it toasted and crispy, so that's why I didn't like it. But whether we like it or not is not even a question. We don't waste food, so we have to eat it all. I already had leftover curry, potato curry, and rice from yesterday, so today I don't have to cook anything for lunch. I'll just make an omelette and have my lunch. After breakfast, I did some studying, like I tried to cover some topics, and then it was around 2, so I went to the gym, came back, took a shower, and had my lunch. Many of you wanted to know which app I use for editing. So from the beginning till now, I've been using InShot. So that is my go-to app, and it's very simple and easy to work. So that is why I started using it, and I still love it. And for thumbnails, I use Canva. And so many of you guys also ask me for tips to edit. So first thing is, I'm not a pro at editing, and I know that very well, but you can always start like as a beginner, right? So just watch a lot of videos, the kind of videos you wish to make. You watch a lot of them, and then you try to edit. And if you watch my first videos, you'll know how bad I was at editing, and then like slowly you'll start to learn, and you'll get better at it. I just finished my dinner and it was so good. I think all my hard work paid off. Okay, so after that, I just studied for some time, and then when I finished, I looked up and it was 2 a.m. I don't usually do this, but after I had dinner, I was like, okay, I can, maybe study for some time. So I did that, and I finally ended up studying for like 2 hours. And yeah, now let's go clean the kitchen and sleep. This is the next day, and as usual, I woke up late, but now I'm gonna make some breakfast. So, today for breakfast, we are gonna make pancakes. I didn't have eggs, so it's a banana pancake without eggs, so it didn't come out perfect, but it was still very tasty. I added some honey on top. I just made 2 little pancakes and went to the gym. For lunch today, I just made rice. I already had a chicken curry from yesterday, so I just heated it and had my lunch. Now you can see now that these kind of stains, I don't know what it is, on all my utensils. I don't know if it is because of the water or the liquid I used to clean, but every time after I wash the utensils and dry it, these kind of scars or stains or whatever it is, it comes, and I try my level best to ignore them and act as if I didn't see them, but it just makes me so sad actually. So after lunch, I ordered some jar cakes because I was craving for something sweet as usual, and it was so tasty. This is the final day of this vlog. For breakfast, I made some muesli and yogurt, and now I'm going to the gym. I'm planning to make fried rice today, so when I checked in my fridge, there was no eggs. So I thought I'll go and buy from the supermarket here, but that was not open, so I ordered from Blinkit. And yeah, this cookie I bought it just so that I'll get free delivery, but that was actually tasty. So I bought all these things and started cooking. And that's it for today, guys. Hope you all like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. See you soon.